Hope Communities is a nonprofit that provides affordable housing and wraparound services to more than 3,600 people a year. We offer programs and services in 7 different areas: affordable housing, economic mobility, basic needs, community integration, health and wellness, youth programs, and community building. When we look at affordable housing, we offer housing ourselves, so we have about 300 apartments across the metro region, and we also help people to find housing elsewhere. For economic mobility, we're helping people to get better jobs, to get benefits, to figure out how to deal with their financial literacy, how to learn about budgets, and how to improve their credit scores, because many people want to buy homes. Our basic needs programs has really focused on food distribution. And we will do a lot of other types of supports for people, but food insecurity has become so big in the last several years. And last year we gave away food for about 83,000 meals. And then community building is a very interesting one. We are helping our families and individuals to really learn about civic engagement, to learn about their community, to share their voice in strengthening the community and helping to make it a safer place. Many of the families that we see have just come to the United States. So they have escaped war-torn countries, torture, all kinds of traumatic experiences.
I'm originally from Afghanistan, and I left my homeland after the crisis in Afghanistan, after US troops and NATO troops withdrawal from Afghanistan. My life was in danger, and just to save my life and my family life, so I left my country. I was not only just homeless, jobless, but hopeless. Through Hope Community, in some cases, you are the source of change for our Afghan communities, and it's amazing. And thanks to God, and thank you, people, to support us,
Sometimes we're working with people who were born in the US or were having just a fine life and something traumatic happened. It could be a divorce, it could be a medical issue, and then they are faced with not having any housing.
I was married for 13 years, had a very ugly divorce, still going through things. So I've worked in the public sector my entire career. So when someone's there sincerely and doing their work because that's what they enjoy, and someone who's there because that's their job. It's a different concept, and they do it so flawlessly, and for me, I love it. It's great. And Hope, having Miss Sylvia here, it's wonderful. It's very, very calming to know that I'm not far from help.
The staff has been incredible. I mean, they are learning all the time. They are trying to always get ahead of the game in terms of what would be the best way to help our clients move forward.
I was born in the city called Niala. It is in the Darfur region. And when the war started, then that's when we end up meeting in the Nuba Mountain, and former refugee came there. We went there in 2006 and we registered with the UNHCR, and we got the status of refugees, and later after 8 years, we got the opportunity to be resettled to the US, and Colorado specifically we got resettled to, and since then Colorado is the second home now. Currently we do a little bit more than the navigation. We more like a cultural navigation. And some of the services that we do started with job searching and job applications and benefit applications. Any benefit in the Denver metro area that range from Medicare if they needed, SNAP if they needed, housing application, and if they other services if someone got a ticket and needed payment to pay it online, we help out with that as well.
We serve people who live in our residences and also who are from the broader community, all for no charge. Last year, we served about 3,600 clients, and about 80% of them did not live on our properties, so they're just from the broader community. We have many events to bring our residents and our clients together, and also to have fun. So our events are designed to help bring people together where they can talk to each other and get to know each other, also to share the different cultures of the people that live around them. Just building that camaraderie and sharing some common interest. I want all of our donors, our prospective donors, our funders to understand that we leverage every dollar that we get. We leverage it with in-kind donations, we leverage it with volunteers, as well as with our staff, and we know how to provide a great return on investment. We are absolutely saving lives and changing lives and working with some of the people who have the most challenging obstacles to get by, and working really hard to help them to do that, and then to really give back to their community.